Hey everyone, it's me, Justin, from Coastal RV Center in Ravenel, South Carolina, your local family-owned RV dealership. For years, we've been specializing in high-end used motorhomes. And after years of providing good quality service, we're very proud to introduce Durango by KZ, our new line of fifth wheel. So follow me, and we're going to look at the 2026 Durango. Let's start with the 302 RLT. This baby weighs just over 11,000 pounds, is just over 35 feet long, made with Asdel insulation, and has a true 2-year warranty. Stylish frameless windows, and even has outdoor entertainment, which consists of your dorm fridge. And check out the newly upgraded flat top griddle. It's time for some hibachi. You can pull up to 3,000 pounds, and you get a pull-out tool tray. A ladder for accessing your walkable roof, and easy access to your drains, 60K on-demand hot water heater, and a huge LED lit basement, which includes your outdoor shower and black tank flush, and they stand alone with their advanced Kurt suspension system, reducing road shock by up to 50%. Let's take a trip inside and check out this rear living floor plan for a second. There's so many amazing things that I could point out about this fifth wheel, but I've already said a lot, and now I'm going to let it speak for itself. Just take a look and see how beautiful it is. And I'm really mad that this shower is bigger than the one in my home and more practical. Check out the handles in relation to the seat. Your master has its own slide, a king-size bed, one huge closet, and a second closet with washer-dryer hookup. If you are as excited for the new fifth wheels as we are, go ahead and give us a call. Just ask for Bug and join the Coastal RV family today. 843-564-1542. You can come see us in Ravenel, South Carolina, or visit our website at coastalrvcenter.com.